Face ID on 17 series is damaged, not working. Test again on a third-party software, still unavailable. JCID 17 series tag on Face ID. Repair FPC newly launched. Used together with the 17 series Face ID repair expansion adapter, enable Face ID repair without removing the prism. Power off the phone and remove the damaged original dot matrix module. Attach it to the corresponding socket on the 17 series expansion adapter. It shows the chip fused. Tap read data and save the original data locally. Then connect the programmer to the phone. Tap More. Activate. After meeting the above 4 conditions, tap Face ID activation. Original Face ID activated successfully. Take out the JCID 17 series tag on Face ID Repair FPC. Attach it to the corresponding socket on the 17 series expansion adapter. It is detected as a brand new JCID Face ID FPC. Then tap Open File. Open the Face ID data that we saved from local files. Write the data onto the JCID Face ID Repair FPC. Written data successfully. Attach the FPC to the dot matrix module. First fold the original Face ID FPC. Heat the FPC with a hot air gun to soften it, and then fold the FPC at 90 degrees. Complete folding the Face ID FPC, then attach the JCID FPC to the dot matrix module. Install the dot matrix module that has buckled with JCID tag on Face ID Repair FPC. After powering on, test whether Face ID has been restored on a third-party software. We can see that the 3D portrait has been restored. Then go to Settings to test whether Face ID can be registered normally. Repair Face ID successfully without removing the prism.